yesterday, we used to rock the show. I laced the track, you locked the flow. So far from hanging on the block for dough. Notorious, they got to know that life ain't always what it seemed to be. Words can't express what you mean to me. Even though you're gone, we still a team. Through your family, I'll fulfill your dreams. In the future, can't wait to see if you open up the gates for me. Reminisce sometime, the night they took my friend. Try to black it out, but it plays again. When it's real, feeling's hard to conceal. Can't imagine all the pain I feel. Give anything to hear half your breath. I know you're still living your life after death. Watching us while we pray for you. Every day we pray for you. Till the day we meet again. In my heart is where I keep you, friend. Memories give me the strength I need to proceed. Strength I need to believe. My thoughts big, I just can't. Wish I could turn back the hands of time. Us in the six, shop for new clothes and kicks. You and me taking flicks, making hits, stages they receive you on. Still can't believe you're gone. Give anything to hear half your breath. I know you're still living your life after death.
All right. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. And good morning. Hope everybody is blessed. Hope everybody had an amazing night. And I hope you're having a wonderful morning. I want this to be too loud. All right. Of course, let me start by saying thank you.
Could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with me.
And I really, truly appreciate it. Like, for real. I just hope the music's not too loud. But all right. So we straight. First and foremost, of course, let's get in the Forex factory. Market's gonna open in 2 minutes. We got CPI that was at 8.30 for the Canadian dollar, so that's nothing that should be affecting us today. So no real news. Let's get into the charts. I wanted to leave all the markups I made yesterday up, because as you could see, we hit all the targets. Ended up hitting the overall target. We hit target 2, target 1. It was a slap of a day. Now, I've discussed this many times. Just because I don't take a trade doesn't mean you don't have to. Analysis for yourself and set your own stop loss, and took advantage of all that movement yesterday. But we did get a W, which is good, yesterday, and let's continue that streak this week. All right, let's leave all these. So far, the support resistance looks good. Let's do this quick so we can check market open NYSE. The weekly, so far we're at a doji. It's only Tuesday, so we should probably make a decision today. I believe so far we're bearish for the day. Yesterday we had a bottom wick that was created, then we closed bullish, so we hit all the targets. Today we have a bit of a top wick, and now we're moving bearish. So far our early bias are gonna be sells. All right. So far we're bearish, just driving down. All right, and here we go. All right, let's take a look at the 30. This market just opened. I think we're gonna continue pushing down, but yeah, as usual, we're probably just gonna wait until 10 o'clock. We'll get a new 4-hour candle, and we'll follow whichever direction that candle will be going. Pretty much breaking some lows here. We should come down. Although the market just opened, there isn't much volume. There's nothing really moving right now. This is kind of strange. But as usual, we're just going to wait. We're going to be patient. Just going to watch the charts. With the NYSE open now, we'll have to wait and see what the market wants to do. We could decide to turn bullish. Who knows, right? It's always a possibility. It's like yesterday. We were pretty much a red candle all day. So we ended up turning bullish. Let's set this indicator here too, just in case. I don't think we will flip bullish today. If anything, I think we're going to come down and create this bottom wick like we did yesterday and Friday. So look out for that. Look out for that. Let's hold on. Let's just. This is the low. I'm looking at this area we are at now. It's a small support, but it's not very strong. It's not a big support. So okay, I lied. This is a pretty significant support if you look at it. This was the exact point where we broke. We had a bit of a gap in price. If you look here, it's been respected many times. Even if it wasn't respected, we have a lot of candle closures at this level. So this is a pretty major level for us. From here, we bounced up, shot up. Either way, whichever way we go, whether we go bullish or bearish for the day, from where we are to the top of the range is 255 points. And to the bottom, it's about 375. So regardless of either way we go, we should have a lot of range to fill. Again, here in this area, we just blew past the zones. Over here, we had some closures below and above. July, we bounced off, jumped up. Just to come back, tested a little bit. Came back. So now we're testing this level now. So because there is support here, I'm not gonna say I'm confused, but I have less of a sense of direction. I don't know what we're gonna do, where we're gonna go. So I want to see some good closures. So if we can close below here, we'll find sells to run down. This would at least be the wick that would be created, like the wick that was created yesterday. So hopefully we can get that. come down, touch support. If not, if we kind of keep playing around in this area and we just keep rejecting and creating wicks, I will start to look for buys. Something that's going to look like this, right? I'll probably have a stop loss for the bottom of these wicks here, and then we'll trail it up. This would be a great day because we'd get a daily flip, then we'd get a push up. This is all figurative, hypothetical, whatever you want to call it. Just trying to draw a picture that we can follow when 10 o'clock does come. All right, so for now, still just chilling. Chilling, waiting, watching. You got 7 minutes. Let me get a new 15-minute candle. That'll show us a lot. Let's look at some other charts. Oh man, I'm pissed. I was in a gold sell. My entry was 1666. I was in some drawdown right before stream. I decided to take it out like a big dummy. This would have been an amazing trade. It's unfortunate though. You know, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. It is what it is. This is a great play though. So all this, we have a double top. Simple, push down, easy. Market is not very difficult. It's not really trying to confuse you. But no, fuck it. Once we break the lows, it's gonna be a free for all. All right, so that's gold for you. We've broken those major lows. At this point, it's just got to keep dropping. And I think it will. Let me set some alerts. Let me set an alert. Because if we break the lows, that's major. That'll be major. So that's our gold analysis. Of course, we got to check Bitcoin. This has been my Bitcoin analysis for the past, I don't know how long. Maybe 2 weeks now. When this initial push up happened. Yeah, man, look at that. Watch that drop. You know, I'm taking pride in the fact that I could read the charts like I can, you know. The daily's dropping, probably gonna break some lows. Currently at 18,008. So if Bitcoin's dropping, that's probably why gold is dropping as well. I don't know what's going on, but something's happened. So again, keep in mind, my target is 14,000 to start really looking for some buys, some Bitcoin buys. GPJPY, not much. Euro USD just been dropping for the past few months now. ETH is coming down. It's like Bitcoin is. Oil's coming down. GBP USD is coming down. Everything's dropping from the looks of it. Dow Jones is coming down, beginning to break some lows. See if we can manage to break them. We break in the 200 SMA in the 15-minute. That's a sign that we're probably going to keep dropping. I tell you all the time, we usually respect that 200 SMA. So let's see. In 2 minutes, it's going to be a new 15-minute. So let's see. Let's be patient. All right, here we go. Got 30 more seconds. All right. Say if you want to look for an early entry, you probably get some sales in right now. Pretty sure we're going to keep dropping. The thing is, 15 will probably keep dropping, but then it'll pull back. So that's the part that's scary. If we pull back and we close above this 11,840 level, the buys would be, more what I'm looking for. So that's why I want to wait for the hourly closure. Goes that pullback. That's exactly that pullback I was talking about. See, that's why we wait. That's why we wait. Give me 1 second, guys. Back. Back. Got about 9 more. Oh no, 8 more minutes. 8 minutes. Get a new 4-hour candle. What we're doing is simply waiting for a sense of direction, getting a 4-hour candle, and we'll simply follow it. That's it. We move 30 pips up and down. That's it. We've gone absolutely nowhere. About 50 pips, I guess. It's about to be the last 5-minute candle of the hour. Let's see what we're gonna do. Oh shit, look at me today. You. It's looking like we're gonna close above. You got 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. I ain't gonna hold you. Just 1 more minute. All right, here we go. About to get a new 4-hour candle. New hour candle. Let's see. I truly don't have much of a bias. I don't know. We're closing right here at this support, so no true bias as of yet. Let's see how the candle's going to open up. From the break of the low to the bottom of the wick, it's about 25 points. I was going to have sell stops, but I didn't like where we closed at. Don't like where we closed at. We wouldn't have got the 10 points. Not yet. Let's see. I can see us pulling back from here. It's too dangerous. I have to wait till 10:15, 10:30. We'll look for another entry. $10.15 we'll look we'll look for a new play. What do we have gotten a 10? We would have had about 9. Hoping we didn't get slipped. Could have maybe got 10 points on that if we had a break of the low. $10.15. It's no rush. No rush. I'm in no rush to lose money. Because we closed at this support, we could just mimic this area right here to the left. We were here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours before we broke up. I could see something like this happening. This could end up being a no trade day as well. This could end up being a no trade day. That's the thing with trading. You don't want to force shit, man. You don't want to force anything. It's no point. Yes, it's NYSE. Yes, the market is moving a little bit. Yes, there are other charts that we could look at and trade. But sticking to your plan and doing what you do every day, that's what makes you a good trader. Not switching up plans every other day, every hour. You know? I don't think we're gonna have the volume to move. But see, it's a good thing we stayed away from that trade, though. We probably would have still been in. We probably would have been fucking around and draw down. Probably would have had to start managing risk, all this other bullshit. So that's good risk management in itself. Not forcing, not rushing into a trade just because it's actually waiting for the right play. This is a decent top wick, though, if we are going to keep pushing down. This is a very good top wick. Yeah. I want us to just flip bearish, close below. Next 15-minute candle will be able to get in. I would like that. That's what I'd be excited to see. Let's pull down, close below, get in a 15-minute candle. Is she ready? Yeah. It's the 5-minute chart. It's new 5-minute. Are we gonna reject? What are we gonna do? Just flip for me. Flip so we can look for some entries. Yes. All right. This will hopefully be the push. Let's get a closure below. Come on. Keep going. Just a bit further. See if we can get a good entry. So we're gonna look for some sells. Hopefully we could get a top wick and then we'll get a break of the low. This is good. Just 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Our stop loss would be the 4-hour high, okay? Let's just see where we can. All right. See where we can get a good entry. All right. This is still an iffy little area due to the support. Let's see. I was expecting a bit more of a top wick. That wasn't enough. Best bet's going to be the 30-minute at this point. 30-minute. 30-minute will give us a better sense. Because as you see to the left, right? This is the 30-minute chart. Once this 30-minute closed, we were able to keep pushing. This is about 50 points. So if we can do something similar to that. All right. So let's get a closure below. See? Now again, this is good risk management. It's good trading discipline. Could have got in, yeah, great. But knowing we're at support, taking a step back, and we're not gonna rush it. I know you can get to a point where you start telling yourself what you think the market's going to do and so on and so forth, but you don't want to get lost in that. You kind of want to accept the market for what it is and follow the market. Don't try to predict it. Just follow it. Understand, okay, we're at support. When we're at support, a lot of times we reject and just go with the flow. Just slow down. You don't got to force it. We be in some drawdown right now for no reason. for absolutely no reason. That's why we wait. Because if even... what was I going to say? Just lost my train of thought. Damn it. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, for the 30, you see, that's why we want to wait to see how the 30 is going to close. Why closures, again, are very important. We have some 30s over here that were doji, and we still kind of remained in the area. Only broke out that one time, only to come right back into the range. Same here. We broke out once, only to come back into the range. So, yeah. We're going to have to wait. We got 11 minutes, excuse me. 11 minutes. Let's talk about it real quick. Let's talk about this. Tomorrow is FOMC. FOMC. Forget what it stands for. Let's see. Federal Open Market Committee. They project inflation and economic growth over the next 2 years, and more importantly, a breakdown of individual FOMC members' interest rate forecasts. So it's going to be big news, big news, okay? So I will be trading tomorrow at 2 p.m. All right? That's not me saying that I won't trade at 9:30. I'll still trade at 9:30. Finish at 11. All right. So we're going to get an extra trading session tomorrow. So we can catch this news. 2 o'clock, 2:30, there's another press conference. It's going to be a lot of stuff. So we'll probably go from 2. I want to say 3:30. 3:30, I'll probably stay. 2 to 3:30. All right. Just want to let that be known. Not bang. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get a trade today. want to talk about this too, man. Even though I'm sitting here, it's boring, ain't shit to watch. Anybody else could be, trading any other charts, right? This is just me. I trade NAS. That's all I like to trade. That's it. So I'm comfortable with knowing, some days I'm going to sit at the computer for 2 hours, 3 hours, and I'm not going to get a damn thing. So on the days I do take a win, you got to take advantage. You're not going to trade every day. You're not going to find your setups every day. But tips twice a week. And you can do that consistently for a year straight. You'll be rich. Keep your losses low. It's boring. That's the one thing I've always said. Trading should be boring. You don't want to be thinking it's like a fucking roller coaster every morning. No. It should be calm. It should be boring. You should put 1 to 2 trades a day. And you should be more focused on what you do in life outside of trading. It's a little advice. Got 5 more minutes. We got 5 minutes. And this 5-minute candle will determine if we look for a trade or not. It's not looking too good. Two more minutes. It's not looking good. 30's closing bullish. It looks to be bullish so far. We're in the range that we talked about. So just for reference, I would still say sells are valid, although we're not selling off right now. Probably happen at power hour, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Probably just gonna mimic and match what's on the left. Probably create another high and then pull back down. So look out for that. Look out for that. Let's see. Just one more minute. Here we go. This is not a good close for us, so we will not be in anything, and that will leave us with a no trade day. As usual, I am not going to trade the last 15-minute candle for the 10 o'clock hour. That's way too risky, and it's just not worth it. So, just like that, I would like to say thank you to any and everybody that showed up. Please like, subscribe, share, show some love. And we will be back again tomorrow at 9:30 as well as 2 p.m. All right? So be blessed. Go tell someone you love them. Have a great day and a great night. Peace.
Yeah. Come on. Hey, ladies.
Hey, mom.
What's up?
Let's slide.
Alright.
Alright. And we gon' get it on tonight. You smoke.
I smoke.
I drink.
Me too.
Well, good. Cause we gon' get hot tonight. Got drops.
Got coops.
Got trucks.
Got G's.
Alright. And we gon' take a ride tonight. So, mom.
What's up?
Let's slide.
Alright.
Alright. And we gon' get
Yo,
it on tonight.
now it's downtown clubbing, ladies' night. Seen Shorty, she was crazy, right? And I approached baby like, Mom, what's your age and type? She looked at me and said, you's a baby, right? I told her, I'm 18 and live a crazy life. Plus I tell you what the 80s like, and I know what the ladies like. Need a man that's polite, listens and takes advice. I could be all three, plus I can lay the pipe. Come with me, come stay the night. She looked at me laughing, like, boy, your game is tight. I'm laughing back like, sure, you're right. Get in the car, and don't touch nothing. Sit in the car, let's discuss something. Either we loving or I see you tomorrow. Now we speeding up the west side, hand creeping up her left side. I'm ready to do it, ready for dome. 55th exit, damn, already we home. Now let's get it on.
Hey, mom.
What's up?
Let's slide.
Alright.
Alright. And we gon' get it on tonight. You smoke.
I smoke.
I drink.
Me too.
Well, good. Cause we gon' get hot tonight. Got drops.
Got coops.
Got trucks.
Got G's.
Alright, and we gon' take a ride tonight. So, mom,
What's up?
let's slide.
Alright.
Alright, and we gon' get
Now
it
that
on
I got a
tonight.
girl, my ex wanna holler and spit. Told me to acknowledge her quick. She like, Kim, stop frontin' on that Dave Hoster tip. Come over, let's swallow and sip. I'm like, mama and sick, I promise you thick. Usually I have a problem with chicks. They all say I'm rotten and rich, but nah, her boobies real. High heel do be feel. Plus got them Gucci nails, You a cutie still. And this my down girl too, ain't no groupie deal. We left the movies with Suzuki wheels to the jacuzzi. I tell you, my boobies real. I mean, she do be winning, Louis spinning. Go to the crib, she got the Gucci linen. I see boobie grinning. She looked and said, Cam, I know that you be sinning. Nah, I'm a changed man. Look at the range, man. I got a whole new game plan. Looked and said, that's nothing but game, Cam. She was right, she was up in the range, man. Dropped her off at the L, now I'm flipping the cell. That's right, I had to call up L. Yo, L,
What up?
I hit
What else?
plus dome,
Say word.
and we got it on the 9.
Hey, ma,
What's up?
let's slide.
Alright.
Alright, and we gon' get it on the 9. You smoke,
I smoke.
I drink.
Me too.
Well, good, cause we gon' get hot tonight. Got drops,
Got clues.
got trucks.
Got G's.
Alright, and we gon' take a ride tonight. So, ma,
What's up?
let's slide.
Alright.
Alright.